All right, G, what we're doing today?
Today we're gonna test a recipe from Aajonus Vonderplanitz. We will try his papaya custard. Alright, so this is not a cooking channel, so try to keep up. We're gonna explain shit. So we have a papaya, the nicest papaya we could get here. It does. Alright, so we're just gonna empty it. Looks like it has a disease in there.
Doesn't look ripe though.
Oh, it looks pretty ripe.
Yeah.
Depends where. Alright, got the papaya nice and empty. Easy. Alright, we're just gonna scoop some of that flesh. Scoop that shit.
Yeah.
Just gonna put a decent amount in the blender.
And 7.
I think we're gonna go for about a third of this papaya because it's pretty big.
And keep in mind we're in Canada, man. Do we have raw butter, G?
No.
Why? Because...
Try this. Because it's a fascist country.
Not so bad.
Alright, so in the name of Face IQ, we're testing out his shit
Fuck, man.
to see how fucked we're gonna be afterwards. Next thing you know, we're gonna be in Spain doing MDMA. One raw egg. Now check this shit out. I'm gonna break it with one hand.
Wow.
They don't teach you that at school, huh?
I guess not.
Alright, so I'm gonna put 2 balls in the freezer so they'll be pre-cold to receive the, the shit we're making.
We should do a tour of what you have in your fridge.
Meat. That's it.
All right, G, what we have here?
Raw honey. This is absolutely delicious raw honey. Local, smell that. Smells like beeswax.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna put
Okay, what, 1 tablespoon?
this much. Who cares, right?
All right. Carbs loaded. I'm gonna crash out after this.
Yeah, we just did the line challenge. A little bit of carbs and we'll be knocked out. So I know a lot of you primals are gonna be really upset because I'm modifying Aajonus' recipe. Oh no, sue me. I'm gonna add some vanilla. Oh yeah.
Why do you keep going for the papaya?
You gotta feed the cameraman. Alright, so here we have some unsalted butter, softening. If you have access to raw butter, use raw butter. Please subscribe so I can enforce some raw butter. That's how.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright,
All right.
look at this. Soft enough. Delicious. Shoving the butter.
Close up.
Nice and soft.
Yeah, okay, we can see it.
It's all in the blender. Let's blitz that shit.
Tastes good? Is it? Does it?
So now we have to re-up before it jellifies. Weird color, like salmon color.
Looks like soup.
It smells weird too. Why does it taste so fucking good? Aajonus, you bastard.
Stop eating it!
Yo.
I want some. Oh my god, they're so good.
No. Carbs are not addictive.
Yeah, no. What the?
Ah!
All right.
So this is the result. Has kind of thickened nicely. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Damn. So if you've just given up on life and you introduce carbs into your diet, give this a try. It's fucking amazing.